They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, a Lego 3D model is worth 1,000 PowerPoints.
Lego Serious Play is about using Lego bricks to create organizational strategy. And more specifically, the methodology itself is about really helping organizations to break old narratives and scripts and really allow for fresh perspective and new ideas to come forward.
You know what I really love about Lego Serious Play is the discovery that happens as people suddenly realize, oh my God, there's a whole new way of looking at things, and it's helping me understand the problems that I've been wrestling with in a whole new way.
So Lego Serious Play is specifically good at dealing with really abstract or complex needs. The key benefits that clients really get from participating in a workshop such as Lego Serious Play is that they get a really unusually deep understanding of the landscape within which they're operating.
It helps organizations to understand where they might need to expand to increase competitiveness, and then also where they might need to lean in to fix roadblocks for themselves in the competitive market. It really helps organizations to identify the core principles that can then be guiding for them as they navigate the new territory that they have created as a result of this workshop.
You know, we would recommend a Lego Serious Play workshop for our clients when you have a managerial team that is looking for a unique level of insight into the organizational challenges, but also they're looking for a new level of teamwork. Teamwork in terms of being more coherent as a group, more cohesive as a group, and having what we sometimes call a shared or collective mind.
So some of the key feedback that we hear coming out of these workshops from our clients that have engaged in it is their level of surprise of how effective it is in them really understanding the full system of issues that their organization is facing or some of the hurdles that are in their way, and just seeing how surprised they always end up being with the success and the clarity that they leave with is really impressive.
And so what comes out of the Lego Serious Play session is almost a code book to very quickly get to what is actually happening and where do we want to go and what's the path that we need to change and the script that we need to break in order to get there.
The clients that come to us with the problems that we address in Lego Serious Play are not looking forward to just playing. They want serious outcomes. They get serious outcomes.
You're not playing with Legos, you're creating with Legos.
You know what? There's a lot more to the world than your conventional way of seeing it, and you need to discover it. This is a technique that will let you see all the things about your world, your professional world, you haven't noticed, but that have a huge impact on your success.
If this video has piqued your curiosity and you're interested to learn more about Lego Serious Play, reach out for a conversation. We'd love to share more.